Surprising facts about eggs nutrition: nature's perfect food for weight loss. Eggs nutrition is really impressive. They are pretty much the ideal food. They have a little bit of almost every single nutrient we need. Eggs have always had a primary place in cultural practices, religions, and mythologies worldwide, and have usually been regarded as symbols of fertility, beginnings, renewal, and rebirth. One of the most commonly held food and holiday connotations is that of the Easter egg. And how the egg became related with this holiday seems to have roots that are both cultural and biological. Eggs have long been acknowledged as an incredible source of high-quality protein. In fact, the World Health Organization, WHO, and many other health authorities use egg as their reference standard for calculating the protein quality in all other foods. The protein from the egg is typically referred to as HBV protein, which means a protein with high biological value. Because of the fact that egg is used as the reference standard for food protein, it scores 100% on the HBV chart too. Eggs have high mineral content that also deserves to be mentioned, not because this food is a rich source of most minerals but because it is a rich source of some minerals which can sometimes be really difficult to get from other foods. Eggs nutrition. Eggs are one of the most nutritious food on the planet. Eggs nutrition benefits our overall health. A whole egg has all the nutrients needed to turn a single cell into a baby chicken. One large boiled egg contains folate, 5% of the RDA, vitamin A, 6% of the RDA, vitamin B2, 15% of the RDA, vitamin B5 is to 7% of the RDA, vitamin B12 is to 9% of the RDA, selenium, 22% of the RDA, phosphorus, 9% of the RDA. Eggs also contain good amounts of vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin B6, zinc, vitamin K, and calcium. This is coming with 77 calories, 5 grams of healthy fats and 6 grams of protein. Eggs also contain numerous other trace nutrients, which are crucial for well-being. Pastured or omega-3 enriched organic eggs are even better. They are much higher in vitamin A and contain more omega-3s. Facts about egg production. Today, the production of eggs in the US has reached a level of about 762 billion eggs a year. Approximately 70% of these eggs are sold and bought in the whole form, and around 30% are converted into egg products, including both dried and liquid yolks and whites. California, Indiana, Pennsylvania, and Iowa are the country's top 5 egg-producing states. Globally, the US is the greatest egg-producing country in the world, followed by Brazil and Mexico. Nevertheless, little numbers of eggs are manufactured in almost every other country in the world, and out of the total egg production in the world, around 63.7 million tons of hen's eggs, just 20%, about 12.8 million tons, are produced in all Central American, South American, and North American countries combined. The nutrients found in eggs are distributed fairly evenly between the whites and the yolks. This nutrients distribution is a general characteristic of whole, natural foods, and it's one of the reasons that we advise consumption of whole eggs, apart from, of course, when only the white or the yolk is called for in a recipe.